Here is the list of important topics from the environment for prelims 2025. The reference book here is Shankar IS environment book. So from ecology chapter you have to read environment and its component and level of organizations in ecology. From functions of an ecosystem you have to read energy flow, food chain and food web, ecological pyramid, pollutants and tropical level, biotic interactions, biogeochemical cycle and ecological succession. Chapter 3, 4, 5 you have to read as a whole. Then chapter 6 renewable energy current based topics are important, so you can skip this chapter. From chapter 7 only colony collapse disorder, this topic is important. Then chapter 8 environmental impact assessment, the whole chapter is not important, you have to only read the concept of EIA and the amendment. Chapter 9 biodiversity and red data book, whole chapter is important. Chapter 10 Indian biodiversity diverse landscape, here only you have to read the first chapter, India represents, others you can skip and you will cover the other topics in your geography. Then chapter 11 schedule animals of WP 1972, the chapter is not important but the amendment which is came in 2022 you have to read the amendment, that is important. Then animal biodiversity of India, here three chapters are important, mammals critically endangered, birds critically endangered and birds migration. Chapter 13 plant diversity of India, here three topics are important, insectivorous plants, invasive alien species of India and medicinal plants. Chapter 14 you have to read as a whole, all the topics are very important here. Then chapter 15 protected area network, the whole chapter is important and you have to read the concept of all the protected areas. Then in chapter 16 conservation efforts, here not all the conservation effort topics are important, four topics which are Project Tiger, Project Elephant, Project Vulture and Indian Crocodile Conservation Project, these four are important. The crocodile project has completed 50 years this year, so it is important. Others chapter you can skip here because all other chapters here current based questions are asked, so you will cover all topics in those chapters from your current affair magazine. There are very few important topics, for example ozone depletion you have to read. Then in chapter 24 you have to read tillage, farming style, permaculture, manure, soil and stages of soil erosion. And in chapter 27 central zoo authority. That's all you have to read. Thank you.